During their defamation trial, Johnny Depp's attorney Camille Vasquez's final argument against Amber Heard has once again gone viral for all the wrong reasons. Previously, the attorney received praise for her stance. Nevertheless, internet users question whether she made the language blunder when she referred to Depp as an abuser. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at Johnny's divorce lawyer speaking on new shocking revelations about Amber Heard. Yeah, you heard it right. However, she was actually exposing Amber Heard, and in this video, I'll show you how Johnny Depp's attorney discusses fresh stunning information concerning Amber. Multiple fans have uploaded a video stating Depp's attorney supported Heard's stance. However, Vasquez quickly acknowledged her blunder and stated the defendant in this courtroom is not Mr. Depp, and there's a domestic violence victim present in this courtroom, but she is not Ms. Heard. Amber was stunned by Camille Vasquez's persuasive reply in response to her appeal. Amber is not unfamiliar with Camille fully defaming and grilling her in court. It now appears that this will also be the case in her appeals case, as Johnny's legal team, managed by Camille, is preparing to send a clear message to Amber and her attorneys that they have little chance of winning the appeal. This appears to be the case, as it appears that this will also occur in her appeals case. In an effort to overturn Amber's conviction, Camille and Johnny's legal team will submit a multitude of arguments. Continue watching to discover the answer. After the final judgment was rendered, both Johnny Depp and Amber Heard filed an appeal. At the present time, although we do not yet know the points that each party will provide in their papers, we can hypothesize about them, particularly in regard to Camille Vasquez and her team's legal position. On his YouTube channel, a California and District of Columbia licensed attorney dissects several of Johnny's most compelling arguments in his petition to have Amber destroyed. Beginning with Amber's side of the argument, Outlet explains how they intend to exploit the First Amendment free speech argument to their advantage. Regarding Johnny Depp's securities, she believes that they have a very strong case and a variety of various grounds, with litigation privilege being the first. The point is, what is litigation privilege exactly? Outlet does an outstanding job at dissecting everything. Due to the fact that Adam Waldman was Johnny Depp's attorney at the time he made those charges against Amber Heard, the Depp camp might argue that when Waldman stated those things about Heard in court, he was making the same argument he did at the time. Consequently, he should be protected by the litigation privilege. However, there's a serious error in this argument. However, they have additional options available to them. Using the attorney-client privilege as an angle is yet another extremely persuasive argument that Camille and her legal team could present to the court. This perspective emphasizes the confidentiality between attorneys and their clients. In order to prove a defamation claim, actual malice must be demonstrated. This means that the plaintiff must show that the defendant either knew that they were lying or was irresponsible in the truthfulness to their statements. In order to establish liability, Amber Heard was required to demonstrate that either Adam Waldman or Johnny Depp spoke with the purpose to cause harm. As there was no evidence to establish that either Waldman or Depp was aware that they were making false claims, neither was guilty of perjury. Camille may utilize the fact that there is no evidence to support her charges as a pillar in her courtroom argument, given that there is no evidence to corroborate her claims. Just a brief note to remind you that Johnny Depp filed an appeal against the verdict in a multi-million-dollar defamation case one day after his ex-wife, Amber Heard, did the same. The Red plaintiff and counterclaim defendant John C. Depp submitted paperwork on Friday in the county of Fairfax in the state of Virginia, United States. The second counsel filed an appeal with the Virginia Court of Appeals against all unfavorable findings and the order of the final judgment entered on June 24, 2022 by the Circuit Court. Despite the fact that one of these arguments is more persuasive than the other, both are convincing. These lines of reasoning prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Amber Heard successfully proved that Waldman or Johnny acted intentionally towards her. Extremely unlikely are the chances that these arguments will allow Johnny's team to win their appeal and come out on top. Johnny Depp tweeted in response to this appeal that he wished to move on from her trial, but that he had fired back with his own. "I sincerely want another triumph for him." So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.